Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to construct a cushion in REALvision Embrace. First, to import our model, click on the plus sign next to Seats, choose the file, click Open. You can also drag and drop the file to the build plate. Now we're going to add modifiers to create the soft and hard zones. I'm going to add them all. Once they are all loaded, we need to arrange them. You can see that they are mostly arranged, but there is this one that is misaligned. The easiest way to do this is to select all by pressing Ctrl or Command A. Go to Edit, Align and Group Models. Then go to Edit again, Ungroup Models. We don't want them to stay grouped because this is only for the sake of alignment. Now we are going to set the different hardnesses for the modifiers. You need to choose the modifier to apply density zones and click on hardness. Use the slider to set the hardness. And this to be very soft. Yes. Now, let's say I want to change one of the modifiers. For example, this one. I want this to be another shape, and therefore I'm going to remove this. Click on Delete. Yes, so now I'm going to make soft zone here, but instead of using a separate file, I'm going to use the surface-based modifiers, which lives here under model manipulation. It is also called the paint on modifier because you basically are going to paint. It's important that the seat model is selected, the basic model. So you're going to paint on the surface. Here you can set the brush size. And you just paint on the seat. And once you are satisfied with the shape, you can set the thickness of the modifier, maybe we want 7mm, and then click on Add New Modifier. So now this is added as a separate file. And the same way you can set the hardness for this zone. So I would like this to be soft. Yes. So once you are satisfied with this, there's only one more thing left to click on Prepare for Print. Once the slicing is done, you can preview your model. Use the slider on the right to see your print building up layer by layer. Or you can also use the show preview function to see how it's going to look like layer by layer. Down below you can see precise data on printing time, filament usage and weight. And now you just need to click on export and to save the G-code where an SD card or where you want it. And that's it. That's how you construct a cushion in REALvision Embrace. Thank you for your attention.